So na so angel of God come appear to the woman o, come tell am say you go conceive o, but make you no take anything wey no dey clean, make you no drink any wine, make you no drink any strong wine. My people, una welcome to Judges chapter 13. Yay! Who dey happy to watch me? Make una narrate am. So Judges chapter 13. So it's that where the children of Israel come dey do baba things, as in the children of Israel, dem no dey hear word those days. They dey do baba things. God sef come dey angry, and you know say our God no dey fit see iniquity. God come vex. Then God come say, I need to treat these people their fuck up. I need to handle them because they need to hear word. All the instruction, all the talk I don't talk, they need to hear word. Ma treat their fuck up. Now God come release them, give the Philistines, say for 40 years, make the Philistines they torment them, make them they deal with them. You know, say that time now, after they come out from Egypt, now war, they fight all those things. So those people, the Philistines, when they see them like this, then they fear the children of Israel, because God, Spirit of God, deal with them when they fight anybody at all, and they kill them. But because they continue to do baba things wey God no like, now God come say for 40 years he go let them, make the Philistines deal with them. So the Philistines come dey deal with them, and then when it come reach time wey God come look and say, we know our God now. I think they beat pikin with left hand, they use right hand, they drag them. If they beat with right hand, they use left hand, they drag the pikin come back body. Then I say make I show these people mercy. Now I come get one man though for Israel there. His name na he from the tribe of Dan. Him from the tribe of Dan, and the in village where in they stay, there is the Zora. So and then the man name himself na Manoah. So then the man, he get wife, but the wife no get pikin. The wife waiting oyibo call barren. So the wife no get pikin, the wife no fit born and all of that. So he did there for the village. Then one day the wife just dey with the waka dey go. Then angel of God come appear to the woman, come say, madam, how are you? The woman say fine. Come say, you know the born, you know fit, you dey barren. I just say for the woman head, you go like, oga, wetin happen? Who send you meet me? Shey you wan come mock me? You know, now that kind of situation where person come dey narrate your story for you when you don't even know the person. Then the woman come say, yes. Then the man come say, okay, you go conceive, and you go bear one boy pikin. So you go conceive, but if you conceive, you no go drink wine. That means say you no go take anything, whether red grape wine or anything wey be wine, or maybe say Coke or Fanta, or wey had anything to do with wine, you no go take am. And then you no go drink strong wine. That mean you no go take ogogoro, kai anything wey as you dey take am, your eye they change. You no go take am. And then make you no eat anything wey dey clean, anything wey they take sacrifice to idol, or anything wey they no kill comot blood, make you no eat am, put for your body. Say you go conceive. Now come say, and also the pikin, because the pikin na special pikin wey God won't use, wey they call Nazareth. That is people wey be say God won't use for a particular purpose. So now the reason why God won't send this pikin to you, so you need to be careful. So may you not take anything. And also razor blade no go touch the pikin for him head. So if you till the day where the pikin go die come out from this earth, razor blade no go touch the pikin for head. I say tell the woman like that. Then the man come go. The woman come go, has got tell the husband, my husband will see wetin somebody meet me for road, they tell me, say me I no conceive, but I go come conceive, I go born boy pikin, and make this one, make I no take this one, make I no drink this one when I get the belly and all those things. Then the husband say, you ask his name? He say, no, I no ask his name. You ask him where he come from? He say, but why now? How person go tell you this kind of thing? You no ask anything. Then the man come pray for him mind quietly, say, God, I beg, bring this man back, make he come tell us. If now you said, and bring him back, make he come tell us how we go take teach the pikin, the way the pikin, if he as he go dey grow, and he go take behave. Then the God come hear their cry. God come send the angel back to them. Come meet the woman they sit down for field. Then the angel come say, madam, how are you? He say, oga, na you where come that day, wait that they come. Then the woman come speak, go call the husband, come say, oga, husband, the man wey I tell you that day, he dey outside. Then the husband too, me, they jump come meet the angel. Then as they come meet the angel, then the man come say, angel, now you come appear to, he come say, now you, oga, now you come meet my wife that day. Say, na me. He say, I tell God, say, make you tell, abeg, wetin you tell my wife? Help me talk am. Then the girl come tell am again, say, your wife must not eat anything wey dey vein, must not take any unclean thing, you must not shall narrate everything. Tell am again, say razor blade must not touch the pikin for head, because the pikin na Nazareth, na purpose na God don send the pikin come do for earth. So that purpose must be fulfilled. So razor blade no go touch the pikin for head. Then the man come say, okay, thank you very much for coming. Abeg, we go detain you. Say we go keep you here so that make you teach us, make you continue to teach us how we wan take nurse the pikin. Then I was, if you detain me here, how will it? The man no gree. Because okay, even if you no accept, okay, we go make we offer sacrifice for you. Then I was say, if you want offer sacrifice, it's okay, but no be me you go offer the sacrifice to, because na God you go offer the sacrifice to. As him come talk like that, because okay, they come carry one small goat, come offer sacrifice. As they come offer the sacrifice, now they come burn am. Then the smoke come, they go heaven. As the smoke they ascend to heaven, then the angel too come go back to where they come from. As him they go, then he just follow go. Then the husband come shout, say, hey, my wife, we don't die, hey. Now I say, wetin happen? He say, we don't use our eye see God, that means say we don't die. Then I say, if God no dey pleased with us, the wife must say, if God no dey pleased with us, say him for no appear to, if for no accept one, if for no accept our sacrifice, secondly, if for no appear to us, and also we no do am anything. Now all these things wey him tell us, him for no tell us. Then the wife say, okay, be like say na true. So as the wife now come conceive, come bear pikin, come born the boy pikin wey the angel talk, now he come name am Samson. Yes, so now come name the pikin Samson. So Samson come dey grow, God come bless am. Time to time, God dey empower am, and then him just dey grow there for the kingdom of that. Him just dey waka, dey run around as he dey grow for the presence of God and all. So now wetin end Judges chapter 13 be this. So wetin me I learn from this story be say, especially as a woman, you if you get belle, may you ask God wetin be the purpose. See the man, the whole way say be say na man, as God tell am say you go get belle, the wife tell am, he say make God bring the man, make the man come tell them how they wan take raise. So as a woman, if you get belle, may you ask God, wetin be the purpose of this my child, and wetin teach me how I go take raise this pikin, wey the pikin go grow well in your ways. So now wetin me I learn say, as women we always inquired of God wetin God want us to do, and how we to need to train our children. God bless you. Abeg, make you like, make you follow, make you comment. If you no like, no follow, wetin you gain. God bless you. See you in my next video, and please share so that other people go see. So I am doing the next one, and trust me, it dey very interesting. I don't read them, it dey very, very interesting. God bless you. See you in my next video. Abeg, read your Bible. As I always dey end my video, make we read our Bible. Bible na our manual. Read your Bible so that the devil will not use your eyes to do shege. You need to feed your spirit man. God bless you. See you in my next video.